Welcome back to this tutorial. In today's video, I will show you on how to import from China to America or Europe or part of African country using Panglobalbuy.com. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, this Panglobalbuy.com is a great platform that allows you to source from China to any part of the world, whether American or European or African country. You can simply meet supplier and buy products at a very cheap price. So one of the great features about Panglobalbuy.com is the fact that you are entitled to free quality inspection and quantity inspection, most especially if you use Panglobalbuy.com to source for your item. And another great feature about this Panglobalbuy.com is the fact that you can simply connect with manufacturer from China using the website. You can connect with manufacturer from 1688.com. You can also connect with manufacturer on Taobao.com and ship from China to America, Europe, or African countries. Another great feature about this Panglobalbuy.com is the fact that payment on the website is very easy. You can simply make use of your PayPal to pay any Chinese supplier. There are a lot of great features as far as this Panglobalbuy.com is concerned. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to simply import from China to America, Europe, or part of African country using Panglobalbuy.com. So welcome back to this video. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your browser. Then the next thing you want to do is to navigate to your web address home page right here and type in www.panglobalbuy.com. Just like so. That is the official URL website. Then press enter on your keyboard. So just like so, it's opened up to the official webpage of Panglobalbuy.com. Now on this side here, you can simply connect to the manufacturer from China and ship from China to Europe, America, and African country as the case may be. Now when you get to the site, you can simply come to the top right here. Where you have languages right here, you can simply click on here. You can change the currency on the site. You can also change the language on the site. So if you don't understand English language, you can switch to Espanol, Dutch, Francico, Italo. Then other thing you can do on the side here is that you can switch the currency of the items on the site. Let's for instance, you want to pay in USD, simply click on USD and in a few seconds, it's going to activate and then all products here is going to be listed in USD. Another thing you can do on the side here is that you can simply come to the top right here, click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it's going to give you simple form you need to fill right here. So for you to sign up an account with Panglobalbuy.com, what you need to do is simply come to here, enter your email address, then click on here to ask for verification code, then enter your code right here, enter your password, confirm your password. Then right here, you will be asked to enter the invitation code. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video, which allows you to automatically get invitation code. And what you need to do is to click on the link in the description of my video right here. Then fill in your email address, your password. And when you follow the link in the description of this video, you are entitled to register coupon, which is about 1,000 yuan that you can simply use to make a purchase on this particular website. It's as simple as that. After you have successfully created a free account on the site, then you can simply come here, click on login. So I'm already created an account. I will simply click on login, just like so. Then I will enter my email address right here. Then I will enter my password. Then I'll click on login. So login successful. It's as simple as that. Now, after you have successfully logged into the account, you can explore everything about the site and how you can source one item. Now, for you to source on this particular website, there are two ways to do that. One of the first ways is to simply come to the address bar right here. So enter the product name or link. These are one of the ways to source one item. So I'm going to enter shoes. Let's say I want to get shoes. Then I've entered the product name. I'll click on search right here. Then in a few seconds, it's going to present me with a lot of shoes that I can simply import from China to any part of the world. Now, we have two options right here. The first option here is Taobao, while the second option is 1688. So if you want to get an item direct from the manufacturer on 1688, what you need to do is simply click on 1688, then it's going to refine and show you all shoes available on 1688 Chinese shopping app or sales website. So you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you're going to see a lot of shoes that is going to load up. Then down below right here, you have about 1 to 14 pages. This simply means that you click on continue and continue. The more you click on continue, the more product is going to load up as far as this particular website is concerned. So this is how to simply connect with the manufacturer on 1688, and also it is the same thing applicable to Taobao right here. What you need to do is simply click on Taobao, then it's going to show you how you can simply get an item from Taobao. Alternatively, if you want to source for an item by link, what you need to do is to simply come to your address bar right here, simply make a new tab, then you want to source an item from 1688 and you want to use Panglobalbuy.com to facilitate the purchase and shipment from China. What you need to do is to go to www.1688.com, just like so. Then after open up on 1688.com, you can simply come to the search result engine right here. You can also type in, let's say I'm looking for shoes or so, shoes, then click on enter on your keyboard. In a few seconds, it's going to show you shoes available on 1688 from different manufacturer, just like so. All the shoes available from different manufacturer on 1688. Now, if you want to get any supplier right here and we want to use Panglobalbuy.com to facilitate the purchase and shipment, what we need to do is simply come to the product link right here. So I'm going to right click on this product link. Then I'll make sure I click on open link in a new tab, just like so. Then I'll go back to the link right here. So this is the product link right here. What I need to do is to click on it and right click. Then I'll make sure I copy the link, just like so. Then we have to go back to panglobal.com. Then we come here and we press Ctrl V to paste the link right here. Then we make sure we click on search. So in a few seconds, it's going to search and show us the result of the product. Now, what we want to do here is to simply add the product to cart. Now, when you add the product to cart, then specification, then shopping agent guide, and after sales service. So for you to buy the product using Pandabuy, what you need to do, simply click on add product to cart. So what you need to do first, make sure you tick on this particular agreement right here, and then come here, click on add product to cart. So basically, this is how to source for item on panglobal.com. Then we can simply go back to the home page. I'm going to click on the product, the site link right here. Then we come back to the home page. Now, from the home page right here, you can also source for an item by this particular keyword right here: DIY, hoodie, phone casing, etc. You can also use the particular icon here to image search on the site. It's as simple as that. Then from the home page right here, from the top right here, we have forwarding section. If you click on forwarding section, this is where you see your logistic address. Okay, you have estimations. So under the estimation here, this is where you do your shipping fee cost calculation. It's as simple as that. Then next to it here, we have fill and buy. So under this fill and buy section, this is where you engage them to do the procurement and shipment for you. If you don't know how to source for an item, so they can simply help you out to source for an item, do the inspection, then make a payment, and they will ship the item to you into your doorstep without any stress. Then the next to it here is help. So this allows you to you can click on guides for beginners. So you can simply click on guide for beginners to see how you can navigate on the site, or click on help center to get help from the customer support. You can also live chat them. So it's as simple as that. Then we can simply go back to the home page on the site. Then from the home page right here, we can simply scroll down and see some of their services as far as this particular shopping site is concerned. One-stop shopping service. Now here, purchase order, ship to warehouse, quality check, global shipping, and customer support. Now this category here, these 5 categories here are what you are entitled to if you use Panglobalbuy.com to do your sourcing, shipping from China to America, Europe, or part of African country. It's as simple as that. So you can also scroll down right here. Now they have warehousing, storage, inspection, information, then insurance and compensation is also part of what they cover. Then delivery, charges, packaging, custom and taxation, receipt information are the likes. Then under the payment section here, you can simply recharge your account, top up your account with PayPal. You can also use international credit card to make your purchase using this particular Panglobalbuy.com. Then also shopping agent guide, you can use the guide, you can service and fee, you can read detail about it, returns and refund policy, you can also read that as the case may be. So basically, this is how to import from China to America, Europe, or how to import from China to African country using panglobalbuy.com.